Welcome to another Office Logic Shop tutorial. Replacing the case on your cylinder is a simple and straightforward process. Here's how to do it. First, grab a flathead screwdriver, place it under the clip at the bottom of the cylinder, and apply some pressure to pop it out. Next, remove the washer and slide the cylinder out. Before moving forward, make sure the old case is completely empty. Now, take the washer and place it on top of the cylinder. Then slide the cylinder all the way into the new case. Once it's in, put the washer back in place. Now take the clip, position it, and use your flathead screwdriver to press it into the gap between the clip and the case. Push, then click it securely into place. And that's it. Your cylinder now has a brand new case. At Office Logic Shop, we've got you covered. We offer all types of replacement parts for most high-end chairs, including gas cylinders. Need parts for your Herman Miller chair? We have them. Looking for steel case replacement parts and gas cylinders? We've got those too, all at the best prices. Thanks for watching.